Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy SIDUS coin. To get this token, open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. So once you've opened up SIDUS, simply scroll down and copy its BNB Smart Chain address. So copy the address. Once it's copied, scroll till you get to the market where it's being traded, and you can find Uniswap, Bybit, and PancakeSwap. So for centralized exchanges, we're going to be working with Bybit. So I'm going to show you how you can get it on Bybit. And then for the decentralized, I'm going to be working with PancakeSwap. All right. So all you need to do to get yourself this token is minimize, open up your centralized exchange being Bybit. And once Bybit has opened up, make sure you have an account on Bybit. If you do not have an account on Bybit, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 5,030 USDT worth of welcome gifts and bonuses when you register and verify your account. So guys, when you register and verify your account, you're getting 5,030 USDT. So how do you buy the SIDUS coin once you've gotten an account on Bybit? Click on the deposit icon, and then you're met with three options. You could deposit your cryptocurrencies. These are cryptocurrencies you hold outside of Bybit. You could send from one Bybit user to another. You could send from another centralized exchange or another Web3 wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Now, another option of getting yourself crypto is buying your crypto with your fiat currency. So you could use your fiat currency such as your Great British Pound, your Russian rubies, or your Canadian dollars to get yourself some crypto like the USDT or Ethereum or Bitcoin. All you need to do is just have an account and use the P2P so you can set it up later. And then you also have the option to buy with your credit card, such as your Visa card or MasterCard, using your local currency. So it's still the same as the P2P, but the difference is you're working directly with your credit card and not any user on the platform. So guys, once you've gotten yourself some USDT, head to the market, which is at the bottom of the screen. The search icon is at the top right. So use the search icon to search for SIDUS, SIDUS. Click on SIDUS USDT. And where we have the trading pattern, which is usually set to limit, click on market so you can buy it at the current price of the market without having to do any crypto strategies or any trading strategies. All you need to do is just enter an amount you wish to buy and simply click on buy SIDUS and you get it on your wallet. To confirm it's been on your wallet, head to the assets menu, click on unified trade, perform a reload, and you'd find the SIDUS here. So once you've gotten your SIDUS on a centralized exchange, how can you get it on a decentralized, such as your Web3 wallet? So simply scroll through and open up your MetaMask. So make sure you download the MetaMask application and make sure you're on the BNB Smart Chain. So click on the network toggle at the top of the screen. If you can't find the BNB Smart Chain, click on Add Network and you'd find it in the list of networks here. So guys, once you're on the BNB Smart Chain network, all you need to do is make sure you have some BNB tokens for this transaction. If you do not, click on the Buy BNB option and you can easily buy your BNB tokens using your fiat currency exchange. So your payment options include Google Pay, debit or credit, a bank transfer, or Kipu. So you could set it to Google Pay and use your Google Pay options to make payments and get yourself some Binance coin. So guys, once you've gotten yourself some BNB, click on Import Tokens, click on Custom Token and paste the contract address we had copied for the SIDUS coin. Click on Next, click on Next once more, and click on Import. Now we have the SIDUS coin on our wallet. What we need to do next is to add the SIDUS coin to our wallet by simply converting from BNB into SIDUS. To do this, head to the browser at the bottom right corner of the screen and make use of the search icon to search for PancakeSwap.finance. Click on Trade at the bottom left corner, and once you've selected the option to trade, you're met with the screen where you can simply swap from BNB into another coin. So we're going to be swapping from our BNB, which we had bought, into the SIDUS coin by pasting the contract address for the SIDUS token. So click on Import the SIDUS coin, click on I understand, and click on Import once more. And now you're met with the SIDUS. All you need to do is enter an amount of USDT or BNB, enter an amount of BNB you wish to spend converting into the SIDUS token, and then simply click on Swap. So it's going to show swap instead of insufficient balance, and that's how you can get your SIDUS on your wallet. So for $11, you're getting 5,211 SIDUS coins when you head back to your wallet and perform a reload. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question, and don't forget to like and subscribe.